Okay, Randy, there it is. It's already black. Like I said, I want to go with with like a more shinier black, like a high gloss, high shine, something like that. The only problem I see with the body is I don't know how this happened. This deal here, it's kind of sticking out. I don't know if it's the door or the fender. I don't really think we would have to paint the inside of the door jambs because it's already black. All right, this is the deal I'm telling you about when I had the blowout. I don't know what the name of that plastic thing is. That come up out of there. See, I got some naked wires there hanging. There it is. So that whole deal come up out of there, Randy. This one telling you it towed a bump up. So of course the whole bumper gonna have to be replaced. I don't care if it's aftermarket or not. The bumper just scratched it up a little bit there. I don't know if that's important. Okay, and the first guy I took it to and got an estimate, he was telling me that the clear coat, something was wrong with the clear coat. That's what all this is. So of course the whole trunk looks like that, Randy. And like I say, the whole bumper needs to be replaced. I don't see too many more cosmetic problems. The roof is fine. Just a little paint. Well, a bird on that. Yeah, I don't see too many more cosmetic problems, Randy. It's got an old pinstripe on there. I don't know. You have to strip them off or how all that stuff works. But it's got an old pinstripe on it. And another cosmetic problem, it's just got a couple of scratches on the door, Randy. On both doors on the driver's side. All right, Randy. Thank you.